Okay, so now we're going to look at the identifying major, dominant, minor, and diminished seventh chords worksheet. You should be using this building seventh chords handout that I gave you, as well as the handout that tells you how many half steps are between the different intervals. Okay, so you should be using this as well as that chart. Okay, so that those are the two resources we are going to be referring to during this time. Okay, so let's get started. The directions are to identify the seventh chords below as major, dominant, minor, and diminished. Okay, so a major seventh is going to be notated like that with an M7. Dominant 7 is going to be notated like this with a DOM7. Minor 7 is going to be notated like this, and the only thing I would add is make sure you put that line over the small m so we can tell the difference. Then diminished 7th is going to be DIM7. DIM7. Okay, so let's do the first, I don't know. Let's do the first 8. Okay, so this one we've got, we're going to use our keyboard. This one we have E, G, B, D. Okay, so let's count the half steps. And what I'd like you to do is write the notes out. E, G, B, D. Okay, so first we're going to write however many half steps we've got. Okay, so this is the root, obviously. G is 1, 2, 3 half steps. So we know that that is a minor third. B is from G, 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. So we know that's a major third. And D is 1, 2, 3 half steps from B, making it a minor third. Now if we refer to our building seventh chords chart, we know that any chord that starts with the root, goes up a minor third, a major third, and then a minor third is a minor seventh chord. Okay, so go ahead and write that over here. Minor 7. Okay, and you'll want to underline that. Okay, so that's what this chord is, and that's the process we're going to be repeating.
Mrs. Varela, please come up to guidance for your conference.
Sorry about that. Our next chord is D, and again we're writing the note names, D, F, A flat, and C. D, F, A flat, and C. Okay, so obviously D is the root. D to F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 half steps. 3 half steps, we know that's a minor third. F to A flat, 1, 2, 3. Another 3 half steps. We also know that's a minor third. A flat to C, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half steps. Making it another, actually that's a major third. So we've got root, minor third, major third. Okay. And what we actually have there is a diminished chord. Diminished chord. You know, my mistake. That should be a C flat. And it'll be changed on your worksheet. This should be a C flat for a diminished 7. Okay? So make sure you write diminished 7th there. Let's go to the next one. We've got C, E, G, and B. C, E, G, and B. So C is the root. E is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps above, major third. E to G, 1, 2, 3, 3 half steps, minor third. And G to B, 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. So we've got root, major third, minor third, major third. Okay. So we know that when we have root, major third, minor third, major third, it is a major seventh chord. Okay, major seventh chord. Next one is going to be a D, F, A, C. D, F, A, C. D is the root. F is the F is 1, 2, 3 half steps, minor third. A, 1, 2, 3, 4 from F, major third. C, 1, 2, 3 from A, minor third. So when it's root, minor third, minor third, it ends up being a minor 7 chord. Okay, so we've had 2 of those so far. Let's look at the next line. We've got F, A, C, E flat. F, A, C, E flat. F is the root. F to A. 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. Major third. A to C. 1, 2, 3 half steps. Minor third. And then C to E flat. Let's go with this C. 1, 2, 3. So we end up with root, major third, minor third, making this a dominant 7th chord. Dominant 7th chord, okay? Next one. We've got, put a little separation there. Next one we have is E, G sharp, B natural, and D sharp. Okay, so let's unpack this a little bit. E is the root. G sharp is the third, and it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps away. Major third. G sharp to B, 1, 2, 3. Minor third. D, B to D sharp is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half steps, making a major third. So when we have root, major third, minor third, major third, we end up with a major 7. Major 7. So make sure you write that. Let's go to the next one. Okay, now we've got G, B flat, D flat, and F. Alright, so we've got G is the root, G to B flat, 1, 2, 3 half steps, minor third. B flat to D flat, 1, 2, 3. Another minor third. And this should be F flat on the top. And remember, this is going to be, it'll be changed on your worksheet. So F flat, D flat to F flat. 1, 2, 3. Another minor third. Okay. Root, minor third, minor third, minor third ends up being a diminished 7th chord. Remember, we write that as DIM 7. DIM 7. One more, and then I'll let you guys continue on your own. Got A, C, E, G. A, C, E, G. Okay. A is the root. Then we're going up. C, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. C to E. And 1, 2, 3, E to G. Okay, so you've got minor third, major third, minor third. When we have root, minor third, major third, minor third, we have a minor 7th chord. Okay? You can do the rest on your own and turn it in class. Thank you very much.